Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're juggling tasks between Trello and Jira, connecting the two can help you save a ton of time and keep everything in sync. So in this video, I'm going to show exactly how it works. So first, open the Trello board you want to connect, and on the right hand side, you can then click Show Menu. And next, click on Power Apps. So from here, simply search for Jira Power App and click Add. So once it's added, you will then need to authorize your Jira account by logging in and allowing Trello to access your projects. And after connecting, you can then link your Trello cards to Jira issues directly. So simply open a card, click Attach from Jira, and choose the issue you want to connect. So you can also create new Jira issues straight from Trello, which keeps everything synced without ever having to jump between apps. And that's it. So your Trello and Jira workflow is connected. So this will help you stay organized and up to date across both platforms. So I really hope you found this insightful. And if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.